indulging in a delightful experience at Coco Bakes. This charming cafe is well known for its lip-smacking pastries and delectable dishes. I tried their irresistible mancho soup and the exquisite dragon paneer for starters. Their pizzas are an absolute must-try. For those sweet cravings, Coco Bakes is an heaven with cupcakes and pastries for every occasion. And oh, let's talk about their tres leches cake, a slice of heaven that you simply can't miss. Coco Bakes, where every bite is a journey to flavor paradise.